Hey guys, how's it going? I can't believe I'm about to show you how to turn YouTube into your side hustle. Oh my god, this is gonna be awesome. We're diving into the world of claymation and YouTube money making, and I promise you, it's gonna be a wild ride. So grab your clay, warm up those fingers, and let's do this. Alright, first things first, we gotta set up your YouTube channel. It's like building your own little clay kingdom, but instead of a castle, you're crafting a digital home for your content. You'll need to come up with a catchy name, design an eye-catching banner, and create a profile picture that screams, "Hey, look at me!" Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. Mine sure wasn't. Holy moly, listen up. Setting up your channel is all about showcasing your personality. Whether you're a goofy goober like me or a serious claymation artist, let that shine through in every aspect of your channel. Oh, and don't forget to fill out your About section. Holy moly, now we're getting to the good stuff. Creating content that'll make people click faster than, something that clicks really fast. The key here is to find your niche. Maybe you're into claymation gaming videos, or clay cooking shows, or even clay true crime reenactments. Whatever it is, make sure it's something you're passionate about, because that passion will shine through in your videos. When it comes to actually making your videos, remember that practice makes perfect. Your first few attempts might look like something I'd make after a 72-hour gaming marathon, but that's okay. Keep at it, learn from each video, and before you know it, you'll be crafting clay masterpieces. Oh, and don't forget to optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. YouTube's algorithm can be a fickle beast, but feed it the right keywords and it'll become your best friend. Alright, let's talk about what we're all here for. The moolah! YouTube monetization is okay, I don't have a good analogy, but it's awesome. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That's when the magic happens, and you start earning money from ads on your videos. But wait, there's more. Don't put all your clay eggs in one basket. There are other ways to make money on YouTube, too. You can do sponsored videos, sell merch, clay figurines, anyone, or even set up a Patreon for your die-hard fans. Just remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and hard work, you could turn your claymation hobby into a legit side hustle. Now, growing your channel, that's where the real challenge begins. It's like nurturing a clay plant, except this plant needs constant attention and occasionally talks back in the comments section. Consistency is key, guys. Try to stick to a regular upload schedule, even if it's just once a week. And let's talk about the elephant in the room, balancing YouTube with your day job. It's not easy, I'm not gonna lie. There will be late nights, early mornings, and probably a few clay-covered keyboards. But if you're passionate about it, you'll find a way to make it work. Maybe you dedicate your weekends to filming, or you become a master of the lunch break claymation session. Whatever works for you, just remember to take care of yourself too. A burnt-out YouTuber is about as useful as a dried-out lump of clay. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to turning YouTube into your very own claymation side hustle. Remember, it's not always going to be easy, but it can be incredibly rewarding. So get out there, start molding your ideas into reality, and who knows, maybe one day I'll be watching your claymation videos and thinking, holy moly, they're even better than me.